Are you visiting Oahu? Here are 5 amazing accessible places to explore. Pearl Harbor is fully wheelchair accessible with ramps, elevators, and free wheelchairs. Don't miss the USS Arizona Memorial. Waikiki Beach has flat walkways, beach mats, and accessible restrooms, making it easy for everyone to enjoy. Do you love art? The Honolulu Museum of Art has ramps, ADA facilities, and free wheelchairs for a comfortable visit. The Dole Plantation is wheelchair-friendly with paved pathways, an accessible train, and the famous Dole Whip. For a peaceful retreat, visit Byodo-In Temple. Smooth pathways make it easy to enjoy the gardens and koi ponds. Oahu has so many accessible adventures. Where will you go first? Comment below and enjoy your trip.